Hey guys, Gary from DIY Electronics. Today what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to set up the Kato, however you want to say it, the V6 Variation 6 N scale track. And the version 6, I haven't even opened the box yet, is a oval. Okay, this is the first time I've ever dealt with a Kato track, or Kato track. I'm used to, just a regular old, with no backing, no nothing on it, that type of track. You gotta make sure you're in focus here, guys. But anyways, the first thing I want to do is just a little tip. If you're on N scale and you're just starting out, basically like me, I've got I'm going to put this down here, and I'll turn it on this way so you can see it. I got a Tech 2 Rail Power 1400, okay? Now, your N scale goes up to 12 volts. All right, but this is a 14 volt. So what I did was I put a piece of double-sided sticky tape, and you bring this up to just over 80, and that will bring you to 12 volts. If you go all the way down to full power, that's putting 14 volts into your N scale, and you don't want that. You don't want to go over 12 volts, because 12 volts on these is full speed. All right, so I'm just going to turn on my meter here. This isn't for the the older guys. I understand, guys, yet that you know all about this. This is for the new guys, basically me, because I didn't realize I metered it. This is a used one that I got it at a yard sale or something like that, and I just wanted to see what the output was, and I go, whoa, it's 14 volts, and I go, ah, crap, it's right there, it tells you. So anyways, I'm gonna turn it on. I'm gonna run the power up, and then you can watch it right here. And if you go up, I mean, 0.22 volts isn't going to really hurt the engine that much, but you can bring it right down. All right, now bring it here, and I'm going to reverse the direction, and it should come up negative. There you go, it comes up negative. Let's see what the negative side is. Just a touch higher on the negative for the reverse. All right, I'm going to switch directions, which you really shouldn't switch directions at full speed. That's just a no-brainer there. Anyways, that was just a little tech tip for you on a prevention of not burning up your locomotives. This one here is a Lima 2535. I got that at a yard sale too. And this will be the first time I'm going to try this one on the track. So let's get this out of the way. Let's open up the box and let's start putting this together. Alright, I don't want to ruin the box, because if I ever take this track apart, I want to be able to put it back in the box. And basically you keep your boxes nice and neat, and it increases the resale value if you ever want to, resell it. Ooh. Alright, anyways, we're doing the variation 6. Let me get my camera back up there so you guys can see. The monitor for me to look at this is behind me, so that should be good right there. Alright, put that off to the side. See what we got. We've got 4 curves. We got 8 curves. Looks like we got 4 straights. I don't even know what you call these. Short pieces. There's no fish plates in here because they're built right onto the track. I don't know if they're removable or not, but you can see the fish plates are built right into it. Yeah. Again, guys, the camera's behind me. I'm going to turn on the autofocus and see if see how that does. Hopefully it doesn't start going in and out, in and out, in and out. Stupid thing. Anyways, 2 little short intermediate tracks. I believe this is this the power rail? And then another short piece of track. We got our power. And just some other pieces here. Not really sure what that is. Again, guys, like I said, I'm pretty new to railroading. I mean, I'm not a novice to it. I've been doing this since I was knee-high to my father, because we used to always have a train track under the Christmas tree. But as a continuous railroader, no, I am not. Okay, so let's get some of these boxes out of the way. This is the actual board that I'm going to be using for this track, and hopefully it should fit. I'm hoping. Now, I think you do, yeah. All right. So anyways, these fish plates should, let's see how it goes together. And it clicks right into the bottom there. Oh yeah, that's nice, guys. That clicks right in there so perfectly. And it has a little clip on the end of it that clips right into, you know, the other track real nice. Let's try another one. Oh, put it on a flat surface, guys. And that goes right in there nice and neat. All right, if I do this, this is going to be a full circle. So what do we got here? We got 3. Let's I'll look on the back of this. So yeah, it says go 1, 2, 3, 4. And then put in the short track, intermediate track. Okay, yeah, you use all 4. So we put that together. And then it says put in a short track. You guys see me? Yeah, you can see me. Okay. Put in a short track. And then I'm going to put in the, this is the power rail. Click that in there. And you guys can't even see that. I'm on the other side. Then you go short track. And whatever you call this, intermediate track. Just get this off the main line here, and then I'm going to put the other radius together. I should have got a bigger piece of plywood, but then again, I don't have to use all of the long rails, so okay. I'll put in 1 long rail on both sides. Click. Boy, that is nice track. That is really nice track. Click. Alright, I'm going to get these boxes off of here. I'm actually going to have to extend this track a little bit. Bring that out. I'll get something to go under there. Alright, let's get my power out of the way. I gotta turn the power off, get my meter out of the way. Sorry guys, I just gotta get this stuff out of the way. Okay, so I'm actually going to put my power down there temporarily. Get this out of the way. Let's finish up the track. I'm not going to put these other 2 pieces on there. I'm just going to finish up the track. Click. Wow, that is so nice. Click. Okay, there's the track completed. And then I left out 2 of the long rails. Alright. And it fits perfectly on this board. Matter of fact, guys, let me measure this board for you so you know how big this track is. Where am I? My tape. It's 4 feet by 30 inches. So the track itself right now, without those 2 additional, is 45 inches by 28 inches. So it's 45 by 28. And if you were to add this other piece on there, it would bring you up to 55 inches in length. 55 inches this way. It's still going to stay 28 across. Alright, now we got to get some power into it. And I believe that's where this package comes into play. Let's open this up and see what's in it. You guys still with me? Oh, hang on, guys. I lost my camera here. Alright, so this other package comes into play. I got to see how to put power into the rail. Must be a piece in here. Alright, so it has this here, but where do you put power into the rail? Am I missing something here? Again, guys, I've never dealt with Kato tracks, so this got to plug in somehow. Ah, there it is. The short little track over here has the input right here. This is not the power input rail. So, let me go like this. And let me just look at this short rail. I'm going to take this back apart, guys, and I want to show you. Okay. Yeah. See what it is they've got a little cutout right there, and then it goes underneath, and it right under there is where you plug it in. See that? I just plugged it in, and then you can fish it out just like that. Alright, let's put it back together. Alright, we got our power in there. Now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to cut this end piece off, but I'm going to save it, and I'm going to wire in I'm just going to split this apart and then wire it into my transformer. Give me a second here, guys. Sorry for the wait. I'm just stripping this back. I'm just doing this really crudely, guys, just to show you. Okay, hopefully the blue is positive for forward. Oh well, it doesn't really matter, does it? You just flip your train around. Or you can flip the wires around and make the train go in whatever direction you like. Alright, let's put her on the track. This is a little hard for me because I'm blind as a bat. Let's see if that's on. If that's on there. That's on there. Let's give her a little juice. Let's turn it on. Like I said, I got this train at a yard sale, so it hasn't run for quite a long time. I'm going to give it full power for a little while. Probably have to do some oiling to it. But, yep, the cab lights work. Yay, cab lights work. Alright guys, cool beans. As you can tell, I am a professional photographer, or videographer. Hang on. Alright, let's see if I can get her to go reverse. Let me just shut her off first. I'll change direction. Oh yeah. Here we go. Working great, guys. So anyway, guys, that is how you put together the Kato V6, or they call it the Variation 6 track. And again, the overall length of the track, the oval from this side to this side, is 55 inches with all parts attached, and it's 28 inches across. Yeah, 28 inches across. And just remember that if you're looking where the power goes, it's over there in that little tiny short rail. It's underneath. This is not your power rail. I can't remember exactly what you call this piece here. Oh, it's a siding. It's like a siding thing, for loading your rail cars up. All right, it's a siding just like that. All right, and that's it, guys. The Kato Variation 6 track. As I build this track up more and more, I'll make more videos and show you how I get this all together. I think I might get a little bit larger board so that I can put on some of the houses and whatnot. I'm going to go towards making this a Christmas theme, and I'm going to make this to go underneath my Christmas tree. So as I get building, I'll show you how I make it. So this is going to be my first one, guys, so just bear with me. All right. What is it? Like, subscribe, ring the bell, and thanks for watching.